In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create glow effect for thumbnails in Canva. By the end, your subject will pop off the screen with a clean, eye-catching halo that works great on YouTube and social posts. Start by opening your thumbnail template in Canva so you're working at the exact size you plan to publish. On the left side, open the Uploads tab. Bring in the image of your subject or product, then drag it onto your canvas. Position it roughly where you want it to sit in the final thumbnail. You can resize the image by dragging any corner handle while holding Shift to keep proportions. If you prefer the photo to fill the entire frame, you can set it as the background so the glow sits against a full bleed image. Either approach works. Choose the one that fits your layout and text placement. Next, remove the background so the glow outlines just your subject. Select the image, then choose BG Remover. Give it a moment to process, and make quick refinements if needed, so the cutout is clean around edges like hair, shoulders, or product contours. With the image still selected, click Edit to open the photo editing panel. Scroll to Shadows and choose Glow. You'll see a soft ring appear around your cutout. This is the foundation of the effect. Now customize it so it complements your design. Change the glow color to match your brand or contrast with your background. A contrasting color delivers maximum separation, while a brand color keeps everything cohesive. Next, adjust the glow size. A larger size builds a broad halo for dramatic separation. A smaller size gives a subtle, professional edge. Tune the blur amount to control how soft or crisp the glow looks. Lower blur creates a tighter, neon-style rim. Higher blur spreads the light for a dreamy, diffuse look. Finally, refine the intensity. This controls how strong the glow appears. Ease it back if your background is light, or push it higher if your background is dark and you need more punch. Zoom out to thumbnail scale to judge real-world impact. Make small tweaks to color, size, blur, and intensity until your subject reads clearly at a glance. Think about the rest of your layout too. Leave space for your headline, and ensure the glow doesn't compete with text. If your background is busy, a slightly larger, softer glow usually works best. On simple backgrounds, a tighter, brighter glow looks sharp. That's it. With background removed, glow enabled, and settings finely tuned, you've built a standout thumbnail that grabs attention without looking overdone.